Good morning to all. We are going to discuss about crowdfunding and alternative models. So, topics we have to cover in this video: first, introduction; second, types of crowdfunding; third, crowdfunding platforms, how it's work; alternative financing models, benefits and challenges. So, let me go through introduction. Introduction about crowdfunding. Crowdfunding is the practice of funding a project or venture by raising monetary contribution from a large number of pupils, typically by the internet. One financial expert described it as a large group of people combining their economic power to support an organization, company, or project they believe in. Types of crowdfunding. Majorly four types of crowdfunding is majorly four types of crowdfunding. First is donation based, second is crowd reward based, fourth is lending based, or last and fourth is crowd equity based. Donation based donation based basically works on raise money from donation based allows charities or those who raise money for social charitable project to gather a community online and to enables them to donate a specific project. Reward based enables people to contribute to project and receive non-financial reward in return, usually operating a tiered system where the more you donate, the better the reward you receive. Lending based project or businesses seek debt applying through the platform, uploading their pitch with members of the crowd talking small chunks of the overall loan. Equity-based crowdfunding enables the crowd to invest for equity or profit revenue sharing in the business or project. This form of the models has been so slowest to crowd due to regulatory restrictions that related to this type of activity. Crowdfunding platforms. There are some crowdfunding platforms where we have we have raised the crowd funds from the social media and platforms. Kickstarter, Crowdfounder, Invest, Tifosi, Crowd Angeles, Cedars, CrowdCube, Indiegogo, Webfunder, Republic, Start Engine, Micro Venture. How, how it's work? It's work from who want to raise a crowd fund from social media. We call that the initiator thinks of an idea, which initiator go through the platform crowdfunding platform for pitch a idea and initiator through crowdfunding platform the supporters of the idea invest in it. Alternative financing models. Alternative financing models are broader methods of raising capital beyond traditional bank loans or venture capital revenue. Revenue-based cap financing. Business receives finance funding in exchange for percentage of their future revenue until the investment is rapid plus a return. Initial coin offering (ICOs) are models where companies sell crypto tokens to investors to fund projects typically in blockchain and tech. Venture capital. Venture capital private investor funds startups or small business in exchange for equity stake. Benefits and challenges of alternative models, financing models. Benefits: diverse access to capital. Crowdfunding broaden funding options beyond traditional bank and venture capitals. Community building and validation. Crowdfunding, especially reward-based, foster an early community of supports. Crowdfunding basically depends works on reward based flexibility. Business can choose models that best fit their stage and goals, whether equity, debt, or reward based. Challenges: regulatory compliances. Equity and debt crowdfunding often require significant legal and regulatory compliance, especially across borders. Project delivery. Fulfillment, especially in reward-based model, is crucially and can harm reputation if mismanaged. High failure rate. Many crowdfunding campaigns fail to meet due to inadequate marketing, lack of clarity, or misalignment with interested audience.